So in this video I'm going to tell you like how to create different screen, and then with the help of buttons you can just click the button and you can just change the screen. So first we will go and create a new project. So okay, so like change screen. Yeah, and then you can see a new screen comes. So we'll create two screens. So let us take this one, we will put it in some color. Let us make it green color. Okay, so this is my screen one, and let me create another screen. So I will just add one new screen, so I can name it also. Let us take uh, button 1. So now you can see a new screen will come. Yeah, and then let us change the color so that we can identify that we have selected another. So I'm going to make it blue color, and let me create one another screen. Let us take, this is about us. So about underscore us, and then this will create a new screen. So yeah, so this one will make some other color. Let us take orange. Okay, so right now we have created three screens. So the first screen is screen 1, which is the default screen. So over here we'll drag one button. So yeah, one button and then two buttons. So these are the two buttons. So yeah, so when I click this, it will go to another screen, and when I click this, it should go to the another screen. So now I will go to the blocks. Over here, first I will select when I click the uh, button 1, what will happen. Okay, after that I will go to control. So in control I can see open another screen. So I'll just drag it and put it over here. Now I need to go to text, and in text I'll select this, and now which screen it should go, I just need to write it in the same way. So like button 1, when I'm clicking, it should go to button 1 screen. So so over here we just need to write it like button button 1. So the new screen name is button 1. So it will open that screen. Now we'll just duplicate it, and over here, so this one is my button 2. So when I click to button 2, this should go to a new screen called about us. So this will open another screen called about us. So be careful that whatever written on the screen name should be inside this one. So now my program is done. So now we can just go to uh, AI companion, and then on the phone also we'll do in the same way. So AI companion, and then we'll scan. Okay. So once this is done with the scanning, so now on my phone you can see two screens are there, and then there is a button 1 and button 2. So when I click to button 1, it will go to button 1, which is different color, and when I click to button 2, it will go to about us. So let me click to button 2. So you can see this has went to another screen. Okay, so now again we'll go to screen 1, and then again when I click to button 1, it will go to the blue screen. So like this we can change the screen by using these buttons. Hope this video is very simple and understandable. If you have any queries, you can let me know. Thank you.